Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create truly interactive page navigation in Power BI, using both buttons and icons to give your reports a really polished, app-like feel. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add intuitive navigation so your users can fly between report pages with a simple click, while also making your dashboards look more engaging and user-friendly. Whether you're designing for your team or building dashboards for clients, mastering interactive navigation can make a huge difference in how people experience your work. So let's dive right in. First, let's start by adding our navigation buttons. This sets the stage for interactive movement between pages, and it gives users a clear, familiar way to interact with your report, almost like the navigation bars you see on websites or in mobile apps. Go ahead and add a button to your Power BI canvas. You'll find this option in the Insert menu. Just click Button and drop it where you want your navigation to start. Once you've added it, head over to the Style pane. Under Text, replace the placeholder text with something meaningful, like the name of the page it's going to link to for our demo. Let's just call it Page 1. Now, instead of building each button from scratch, let's use a little Power BI magic to save time and maintain consistency. Click the button to select it, then copy and paste it so you have extra buttons. For this demo, let's create 2 duplicates so that we have a small navigation set. A quick tip. If you hold the Shift key and click each of your buttons, you can select all of them at once. Super useful when you want to apply changes to a group instead of one at a time. With all your buttons selected, let's make them more interactive. Head over to the Style settings again and look for the On-Hover options. This is where the magic happens. Apply a style so that whenever you hover your mouse over any button, the background or text color changes. Let's choose white for this demo. This subtle visual cue tells users, hey, this button is active, go ahead and click. It's a small touch, but it really helps people navigate more confidently and makes your report feel responsive, almost like a proper application interface. Alright, now let's step things up with a splash of visuals by adding icons to our navigation. Icons are fantastic for making navigation more intuitive, especially if you want to mimic the feel of mobile apps or modern websites. To add an icon, insert one onto your page just like with the buttons, then click on the icon and head over to the icon settings. Here, where things get fun, go to Custom, then click Browse to upload your own SVG or image file. You might want a home icon for a main page or a chart icon for analytics. It's entirely up to you. Once you've uploaded your custom icon, you don't have to repeat the process for each icon. Simply copy and paste it just like we did with the buttons, so you end up with 3 icons for our demo navigation panel. Again, holding Shift lets you select them all, making bulk edits a breeze. To enhance the interactivity, go back into Style for your icons, find the On-Hover state and adjust the fill color. Set it to white just like you did for the buttons. Now, whenever someone hovers over an icon, it'll respond with a clean, bright highlight. It's a simple adjustment, but it adds a lovely layer of feedback for your users. They'll immediately see where they are about to click, and that's it. You now have a set of interactive navigation buttons and icons in Power BI that change color when hovered over, providing visitors with an intuitive, user-friendly way to switch between pages. These steps might seem small, but together they make your Power BI reports look and feel far more professional and engaging. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps support the channel. And if you have any questions about Power BI navigation or want to see more tutorials like this, just drop a comment below. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.